John Terry, a fellow centre-half, it was inevitable that I was going to get him. This guy loves to be involved in jokes. If someone's there to have a laugh at, he'll be there. So now it's our time to laugh at you, pal. We're in Surrey near Chelsea's training ground, and I'm travelling in style. JT actually thinks he's going for a spot of lunch with his fiancée Tony at one of his favourite Italian restaurants. However, we've given the usual staff the day off and replaced them with our actors. Thomas will play an over-friendly waiter who wants the shirt off JT's back. Paul will play Paolo, the fiery restaurant manager who's not best pleased with Thomas's antics. But just when everything is ready to go, I get some bad news. All right, mate, last one. Cheers. John last night read his missus' phone. He saw a text on there from me. We've been rumbled. JT has found a text on his missus' phone explaining the whole hit. But all is not lost. John has agreed to go in on the joke and help me find a substitute. Yes, John, what's happening, mate? Right, Shaun Wright-Phillips is coming instead now. An hour and a half later, JT arrives at the restaurant with Shaun Wright-Phillips, who has got no idea what is about to happen to him.
Now, can I get you something to drink? Still water? Water.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello, I'm Thomas. So who's having the water? Hello, sir. Water? Full, sir. Thank you. You are John Terry.
Yeah, thank you, mate.
And you are Shaun Ryan. Oh my God. Oh my God. May I ask you just to shake your hand, please? For me, it's honor. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And you, sir? It's great to meet you. Great to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. All the best. All the best for the World Cup. Cheers. Thank you very much.
Rio to Thomas. Move in for the autograph now, please.
That's too long. Is he really? That's
I'm sorry. Could I ask you for an autograph? You know, for me, my brother. Thank you very much.
Thomas, what are you doing?
Just asking an autograph.
Yeah, no. Thomas, vieni, come here.
Just asking for
No, excuse me. We're not here to give autographs, eh? We are here to have something to eat and perhaps talk a little. No, I know, but you're not here to have it.
He's a good man.
Thomas, leave them alone, eh? Take their orders and leave them alone. You understand? Leave them alone. Thank you. Excuse me, he's quite new, you know, he doesn't know his area.
Sorry.
Forgive me.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm sorry, just one thing. These are my brothers, and they're a big fan of England and you. Could you just sign an autograph also for them, so I can send them and they're proud of me, so they can be proud, you know. Please, just. No, it's for my brother. And
Thomas,
this could be...
excuse me very much. Excuse me. Come here. Thomas, come here. Come here. Mamma mia, che fai, eh? This is a restaurant. They don't come here to give autograph. I tell you once already. They don't come for the autograph, eh? If they want to give autograph,
I feel bad,
It's a restaurant. It's my restaurant. Ask them for autograph. Leave them alone.
I feel bad, man. I've not done it, but I feel bad.
Why are you encouraging me?
I never did not.
Come on, man.
I said to him, I never said anything. He just asked me, and I can't turn around and say to him.
It's finished now. Basta così. Finished.
For my brother.
Please forgive me. Is there something I can get for you?
No, cool.
Other than a little bit of peace, eh?
No, we're all right.
Okay, thank you very much. Eh? Now, Thomas. Excuse me, I'm sorry. It's okay. Is that okay? Is everything okay for you?
Mate, give him the big note now. Go and give him the big note. Make sure you sneak it on the table, slide it to him.
I'm sorry, but really, I apologize. I'm in very big trouble. I'm sorry, you know. I'm new and very troubling for me, my family. I'm sorry, but you are heroes for me. Really, thank you, really, thank you. No. Sorry for the trouble. I'm sorry, really sorry.
No, it's fine. It's cool. He just said sorry.
No, what's he doing now?
No, he just apologized. It's fine. It's fine. He just said sorry.
You're encouraging him again.
No, he's fine. No. He just said sorry. That's all.
Okay, I'm very sorry. I know he's not here. He's quite new. You know, he doesn't know it's a new area for him.
He's fine. He never said nothing.
Okay.
Well, I'd like to give me
What's this? What's this? Did he give you this?
No, he hasn't.
No, come on.
He hasn't.
Tell me what it is.
He hasn't
No,
given me that.
it's very important, eh?
It's fine, honestly.
No, it's not fine. It's my restaurant. I don't like my customers to be
it's
hassled.
fine. No, it's fine. No, we're fine.
What's the note say?
It doesn't say anything. We're fine, honest. Trust me. It's cool.
No, I don't want you to... Thomas,
No, he's fine.
come here, come here.
He's fine.
What's this? You give him notes now?
No, it's fine.
Eh?
It's fine.
No, it's not fine. This is my restaurant. Show me the note. I want to see the note. Come on. So, Thomas, get the note. Come on. You're giving him a note. I see you give him the note. I saw you give him the note.
It's just a note.
Oh, what's the note? What's the note? You've come here for a quiet drink. You don't for a note. It's not quiet. You give him a note. It's finished. No. It's finished, okay? It's the last warning. 3 times. And now you give him a note. He's finished. You are fired. I want you to leave.
For me. No, please.
No, I want you to leave. Come on. We go. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. We go.
Just a dream for me.
Thomas, I want you to leave now. Come on. Let me see the note. Come here. Can you help me? I got no money. I got no money. You're asking the money for something to eat, and you're asking him for money. Are you a beggar from Albania? You are a beggar? You are begging? No. Come on. We go. Bruce, come on. I need some help with this guy. Come on. We're going. We are going. It's finished. No. Out. Out. Come on.
Please,
Out.
I just come here. I've got no family. Please, John. Please, John, please.
No, that's what I did. That's what I did. JT, I swear I can get you, man.
Well, today was about getting JT, but it didn't happen. He got a bit savvy on us, so he switched it up and he brought Wrighty down instead. Shaun Wright-Phillips, sorry bruv, but you got murked.